I've been on top for a while.
Okay, so y'all, we are about to go ahead and get started. First things first, I am reusing hair. I've used this hair. I've had this hair for like over a year. No, it's been a year. It's been a year. So this was from the last quick weave. So this started off as a all black long situation. I think it was like 22. Then I took it out, dyed it, put some highlights in it. Then I reinstalled it. Then I took that out, and then I reinstalled it and cut it into like, I guess like a long bob situation. So this time we are going blunt. Okay, so we're doing blunt. We're doing a blunt cut bob. Hoping that it will turn out right. But as y'all can see, like, the hair is still in very great condition. This hair was purchased from my vendor, and I just want to show y'all the inside of the cap. So I did go ahead and wash this, but this is how your quick weave should come off if you do it correctly. As you can see, the inside of the cap is clean. You don't see any dandruff or anything of that nature. This was body wave hair, so you can see it's still kind of wavy. Let's go ahead and get started. First, you want to make sure you have a braid down. Okay, so this is how I chose to braid my hair down. Now, I am not the best braider, but you want to start with a flat braid down.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body look is unpolite. Tell me in the humble type. Tell me is you down, cause I'm trying to go up tonight. All in who she said.
So I have 2 stocking caps. We get a little stretch going. To mark off where my leave out will be, and then we are going in with cap number 2. Are going to go in with your needle. Before you go in with your needle and thread, you want to cut your ear tab out. We are going to sew the perimeter. This one is done. Now we're going to go in with our Got to Be freeze spray, and I personally like to do 2 coats, but you know, to each its own. I recommend 2 coats.
I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own.
Okay, so this is how your base should look. It should be like a grayish, and it should also be hard. You see that film from the hairspray. So that's our base, and now we are gonna go ahead and start gluing the tracks. So because I've already used this hair, I have a foundation, so I know which tracks to use.
When it come to you, pistol like birds, issue with trust. Won't let no one get a piece of your love. Yeah, base it on loyalty, base it on us. I ain't the picture perfect type, but I'm making it up.
Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all how it should look. I'm going around like this in the perimeter, okay?
Fuck it up when you bust wide open. It's the ocean, I'm just imposing that you give it to me and just me only. Yeah, girl, you chosen. Fuck it up when you bust wide open. It's the ocean, I'm just imposing that you give it to me and just me only.
Okay, y'all, so this is the progress. This is where we are. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see. So this is how much we have to go, and I'm about to just start bringing them up. Well, I'm gonna continue to keep bringing them up. Yeah, but we are almost done, honey. Okay, y'all, so I am going to cut the cap before I lay the last track. I like to do this just so I can make sure that I'm actually covering up the part where I sewed and blocked it off. But so far this looks really, really good. I have a lot of hair left over. Probably about a bundle worth, or maybe half of a bundle. You know, when you're doing a bob, you don't want it to be too thick, so I knew I was gonna have some hair left over, but I'm still gonna trash it, simply because, I mean, what else I'm gonna do with it unless I'm doing another bob, which I doubt, because I rarely do bobs. So let's go ahead and cut this cap. Now, if you follow me on TikTok, you know I say you're supposed to stick your thumb under the cap so that you can see. So that's what I'm doing. And you want to make sure you're sticking your thumb under so you're not cutting yourself or your hair. So I'm gonna pull this up so I can cut this perimeter.
Shut down my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. But it's been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. Get some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. Get some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Are we feeling the color and the hair? Like, oh my goodness, don't it look so good? Like, oh my gosh, I have not had a middle part bob in so long. I haven't had a middle part bob as a quick weave. Obviously we still gotta cut the hair, so don't pay that no mind, but like, come on, be so serious. It's so cute, right? Oh my goodness, I'm excited. So let's straighten my hair. I kind of trimmed my ends a little bit the other day, and I'm probably gonna have to trim more depending on how short I'm cutting the bob, because as y'all can see, my hair is right here and I kind of want the bob to be like right here. So I'm gonna have to take off at least 2 inches of hair, which I'm not mad about because it's just hair, it'll grow back, right? I know y'all probably cursing me out. So I already have heat protectant on my hair. I put it on when I blow dried my hair. So let's go ahead and, ooh, my hair is so heavy. Let's go ahead and hit this thing. Oh wow, yeah, I'm gonna have to cut my hair, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna cut my hair off camera because I might mess it up and I don't know how to cut my own hair for real, but I'm gonna try.
Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Hey, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could.
I'm so fine. I'm so fine. Do you hear me? Now that I cut my own bob, yeah. And I actually might go a little shorter. This is cute. I ate this. I ate damn. Because one thing about it, two things for sure. When it comes to the hair, let me toot my own horn. Toot, toot, beat, beat. Because baby, one thing about it, when it comes to the hair, I got it. 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 Yeah, y'all know we gotta do a little bumpy bump. Just a tad. I'ma see how this, cause I still got some, see I could see right here. And I got some clippers. But I'm nervous about using those clippers on myself. Oh, maybe if I put my head down. Now, if I mess this up, I'm definitely going short. Ooh. Period. Okay.
Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you the passion. It's a thriller in a track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to.
All right, y'all. So this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and drop down in the comment section what other hair tutorials you all would like to see. Also, if you have any questions, be sure to drop those down in the comment section below as well. So this quick weave is actually 3 weeks old. You can look at my roots. Yeah, this is 3 weeks old. So when I initially filmed the video, that was on December 20th. Today is January 10th. I have been working out. I don't wrap my hair at night all the time. So I'm gonna just be honest and transparent with y'all. Honey, dry shampoo, okay? Dry shampoo, get you some. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and show you all, give you all an update. This is a 3-week-old hairstyle. I was honestly planning on taking this out this weekend, but I may try to leave it in for maybe another week or 2. I don't know, what y'all think? I mean, it looks really good. Like, you cannot tell. I just get tired of the same hairstyle, so that's just me. But thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. and drop down in the comment section what other hair tutorials you want to see. I look forward to seeing y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.